Do you know what are the factors affecting the amount of lift produced in an aircraft? The lift is dependent on various factors like CL, half rho v square S. So CL is coefficient of lift, which is the lifting capability of the aerofoil, which is dependent on shape of the aerofoil, dependent on Mach number, dependent on any contaminant, like if any ice is formed on the aerofoil, then half is a number, so that is constant. Rho is the density of air. If density of air is more, then amount of lift produced is more, and vice versa. V square. V is the true airspeed of the aircraft. Higher is the speed of the aircraft, obviously higher will be the lift produced. And S is the surface area of the aerofoil. More is the surface area of the aerofoil, more will be the lift produced. So there are some types of flaps like Fowler flaps which will increase the surface area of the aerofoil as well, and the lift produced is more. So you get that lift even at a lower speed if the surface area is more. So these are the factors which will affect the lift produced in the aircraft.